In the quiet neighborhoods of Illinois, far from the grandeur of Rome, or the echo of cathedral bells, a humble family once nurtured a boy who would one day shepherd millions. Their story was never written in headlines or carved into marble, but in prayerful nights, acts of service, and the kind of love that lays a foundation for greatness. Behind every vocation is a voice, often gentle and constant, the voice of a mother who believes, who prays, who sacrifices. And behind the man now called Pope, there lived a woman of deep devotion and quiet strength, Mildred Agnes Prevost. This is not just a story of a future pontiff, but of the people who formed him, of a mother and father who lived simply, loved faithfully, and unknowingly raised a son for the world. Robert Francis Prevost exhibited a deep inclination toward the priesthood from an early age. Growing up in Dalton, a suburb bordering Chicago's South Side, he was affectionately known as Bob or Rob. He was actively involved in his local parish, St. Mary of the Assumption, in nearby Riverdale,